Right, back again. I've got a hand now to lock up just in case I die. So I only crept it backwards and forwards, so I'm going to drive it in, we'll have a look underneath. Oh, we got visitors in the yard. Right, going up. Got to clear. I've got my cylinder head shelf up there. I've got to creep it forward because otherwise it's so long at the back it won't fit on. This bumper seems to have actually made itself a bit better just from the sort of weather. Getting off some of this flaky stuff. Maybe I'll have to try polishing it, we'll see. The tyres did feel a bit square driving it in. Right, I will put up a couple of pictures up of the red one that I had, same colour as this. I did rebuild the rear calipers on that one. Did a few other jobs, bits and pieces. A few bits look a bit dirty under here. Disc was like okay. Brake lines don't look too bad. This all looks pretty good underneath of here. Bodywork all the way around. Yeah, no signs of prangs. Yeah, seals are all good. Drip vents are okay. Okay, it looks like someone might have squeezed that up, but no, that vent's all right. Bodywork all looks pretty good. There's my rebuilt fuel pump. Someone written their name there, no. Modi. Yeah, exhaust is reasonable. They can be expensive, my mate found that out. He was the one who got me onto them. He had a Bentley T1 and he's had a couple of Silver Shadows. Hello Adam, if you're listening, if you're watching, I'm sure you will. Yeah, a bit greasy around here. So just stop starting the video because it's easier to load it up. But yeah, grease all over the mechanisms and stuff and the levers, so it appears to have been looked after over the years from what we can gather. Well, there's one brake pipe's been changed at some point. Those hoses are not aged. Yeah, that's not an original pipe, so it's had upkeep on the brakes in the past. That's just surface stuff on there. Oh, yeah, we got the danger high pressure stickers are on there. So, as people say, we'll probably need those spheres changing, or pumps, or both. Who knows? Needs investigation. I haven't got time in the immediate future. Problem with me is working on my own. Sorry, just stop starting. Yeah, working on my own. If I get it on here, I'm forced to sort of finish it because I can't just push it back out and leave it aside like I can if it was an Alpine or something. Yeah, body in there looks pretty good. So, what was that bit? A little brown patch that scuzz off. The other side, a tiny bit in there, but other than that, it all looks quite good. Yeah, so I will sell it as it is. If anyone's interested, phone me. I will put the number up. It'd be 4,000. Well, anyway, what you think of that figure, entirely up to you. Yeah, that's what I'll be looking for as it is now. If you're interested, give me a ring for a chat. Well, that tyre did have some wear on one side. It was relegated to the spare. Otherwise, it'll be a while before I get round to it, to doing the brakes, just because it's one of those things, if you're going to start doing it, you end up having to do everything, which I would like to do, but again, it's having the time and the funds where I can buy all the bits, stop doing all the normal day-to-day work, and then just go through it. But I think it would be worthwhile. Yeah, it's just a shame that the paint's rubbed through in places. It's got a few scrapes on it, that patch on the bonnet. But if you're looking for one, this would be a good basis. It's got reasonable history with it and stuff. And you could be the one to cheer it up. Right, thanks for watching. I'll have another video on the MGCs soon. So, a quick guide on the interior. The seats are all quite nice. That's just good. Door cappings are all reasonably tidy. Very slight. I'll open the door in a sec. All the headlining's all good. Those white dots, that might come off actually if it's just. No, it's not sure. Wood capping is good. It's got footrests. Yeah, more bit of paint off there. Yeah, I had to lacquer the door cappings on my other red one. And I had a brown one, that wasn't too bad. The brown one went to New Zealand. So, yeah, do the brakes and a bit of paint, it'd be a nice car. Okay, he was a bit trigger happy with his polishing, the previous owner. Got through there, a bit on the bonnet. There is quotes in the paperwork for getting that done. And that's great. Flaking slightly on the tops of the doors. Polish through there. Polish through the coach lines on the roof. Got the new ballast resistor in there. It's just jumped at the moment. What else does anyone need to know? But yeah, patch on there. Yeah, as I say, if anyone's interested, I can do a one-on-one walk-around video, answer any questions, etc. So, there we go.